Hey everybody, I wanted to give you guys the Survival Hacks Deals of the Week. This week we are going to be focused on first aid kits and water filters. So we've got 3 deals and they are all 50% or more off on Amazon. And the way to get these deals is just type in Survival Hacks and then first aid, or Google Survival Hacks Amazon, and you'll find it. The way to get the coupons is you click on the listing, and once you're on the listing, you there's a little orange button right here, and you just click on that, and it automatically takes it off your order. So just to give you a quick rundown of each one of these items, we got the first aid kit, the water purifier bottle, and the straw, the water filter straw. Now, the water filter straw and the bottle are using the same type of filtration inside. They're both a 0.1 micron carbon water filter, and this is our best seller. And our first aid kit is 105 pieces, and it's your standard lightweight first aid kit. The items that come with it are right here. They're also in the description if you want to click on the actual listing. The cool thing about this first aid kit is we toss some stuff in there, like a credit card tool, a blanket for cold weather, and cross-country driving, that sort of thing. So now that you can get it for $10, that's a steal. And these should be up until the end of the month, but they are limited coupon clips. So they are first come, first serve. Good luck on getting these, and be safe.